If you wake up stiff and achy, then this is a session for you. Join me as we boost circulation, release tension, and awaken your whole body, all while entirely seated in a chair. Namaste. Let's begin our practice today with a seated cat-cow stretch. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly. And on your exhale, round your spine, coiling your navel back, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, drawing your chin towards your chest. Release and return to center, moving into a lateral stretch variation. Step your feet into a wide stance, rooting down through both feet. Clasp your right hand beneath your chair. Reach your left arm up and over to the right, keeping the weight even in your hips, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, breathing wide into your left side body. Release, and let's go ahead and repeat on the opposite side. Clasp your left hand beneath your chair. Reach your right arm up and over to the left. Feeling this gentle stretch, create more flexibility and mobility through your core and back muscles. Release, returning to upright, moving into a diagonal stretch. Place your hands to your thighs with your fingertips pointing inward. Begin to alternate, drawing opposite shoulder to knee, flowing from right to left, keeping your core engaged and your legs active, feeling a gentle stretch through your chest, shoulders, back, and legs. Pausing and upright. Place your right forearm to your right thigh. Reach your left arm overhead. Sweep across the horizon into your left thigh, repeating on the opposite side. Continue flowing from right to left, feeling a gentle stretch through your arms, shoulders, spine, and side body. Release and return to center. Moving into a forward bend variation. Extend both your legs forward, keeping your legs active, rooting down through your feet. Begin to alternate, gliding your hands down your legs, folding forward, and lifting your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead into cactus arms. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, lift your torso to upright, sweeping your arms overhead into cactus arms, opening through your chest and shoulders. And with each exhale, glide your hands down your legs, keeping your core engaged and your legs active, folding forward from your hip creases, feeling a gentle stretch through your back body. Release and return to center. Moving into a seated twist variation. Sitting tall, reach your left hand to your right leg and place your right hand to lightly rest behind your head with your elbow wide. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, gently twist to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale, gently twist. Continue moving at your own pace, maintaining your hips facing forward, allowing this twisting action to originate from your waist rather than your hips, arms, or shoulders, working through your obliques and deep spinal muscles. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Sitting tall, reach your right hand to your left leg And place your left hand to lightly rest behind your head with your elbow wide. Inhale at center, exhale, gently twist. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, allowing this twisting action to energize and nourish your spine. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. If you enjoyed this video, pop on over to my streaming site, happyyogaondemand.com, where you can sign up for a free chair yoga starter guide, plus 3 full-length videos for you to enjoy anywhere, anytime. I guarantee your body will thank you. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.